VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, and we're going to take a look at the coins here real quick. And if we elaborate on what we were talking about yesterday, we can come in here and find our patterns and predictions. Go to the bar pattern, go from our swing high to our swing low, and then we're going to grab that and we're going to take this. And we're going to put this right onto our swing high and into our swing low. And we're going to match up these lows right here. See that? See how good that matches up right in there. Look about where that gets us down to, 18 cents. And this is one of the ways we originally used when the price was back in here and we were trying to tell you what was going to go on. One of the things that we came up with to get this 18 to 20 cent target right there. Bell notification, like the channel, subscribe and share. And we have recently added our June 2023 XRP bear market bottom. I think we're gonna, you can see we're in this phase right now. I know fairly soon we're coming down here to hit this underneath target, right? And then we could have another little bounce back up into here. And then I think we're going to take another leg to the downside, as I believe we still have a huge capitulation event to come. Something similar to here, from our swing high to our swing wick bottom. We had a 68% rapid crash right at the end of this capitulation. You can see we capitulated and we're consolidating here, not capitulating but consolidating here into this tightly formed descending triangle. And then we broke down out of it, came up, got resisted, got supported, got resisted, and then we had the capitulation event right here. When, as you know, what I've been telling you, when you're coming from above to below this VP volume indicator, which the mean of the volume is right here, that's what this red line is. And if you look at back after the 2017 flush, we came all the way down and hit it and wicked on this candlestick right here. And right at the mean of it, we came right down to the bottom of it exactly and wicked on it, but had most of the candle bodies right at the mean of this trading. And then look at that, bam, had a big skyrocket, had a huge pump up from its capitulation, its recent dump, and you had a massive rally to your wick high of 288%, and everybody thought the good times were rolling, the rocket ships were taking off, and XRP by 2020, 2019 was going to be scaffolding to new all-time highs, eclipsing the bear market or the bull market high of 2017, because everyone thought that was the bottom. The market manipulators and the fleece heisters and shysters called the bottom here, called the bottom here, called the bottom here a few times, called the bottom, and got their most excited and bullish and confident on a bottom right there. And then of course called the bottom again here, and they were finally right, because every once in a while you're going to be right. But you can see we got bounced off this support level, the mean of the volume, when it was above it. But look when it was below it. Before that big pump, we got rejected a few times, right? Rejected once, pump, rejected twice, pump, rejected 3 times, pump, slight rejection 4 times, and then a rocket ship to the upside. But notice when we slipped below it for the first time, got rejected a second time. The third rejection was a huge capitulation, and the 62% flush right here back in February of 2020 for the COVID. Then we rebounded all the way up, got supported on the bottom part of the last line of defense, aka get my shit together to the shit house, had a skyrocketing pump, got everybody excited, and got rejected again, and then finally skyrocketed and flipped it to support right here. And then notice the first time you came down, after you held it pretty much as support, came back up, had your big blow off top, came all the way back down, and look at where you came down to and what it's been doing. Just as the track said, you were going to get supported on it, right? But what comes after? We're into this final stage where you're going to have that big capitulation event right here, a big 66% flush, and that's going to bring us into our targeted range of 18 to 22 cents, or 18 to 20 cents that we've had for quite some time. And then I think we're going to spend an exquisite amount of time down here between 6 and 10 cents, as I believe in 2023 we're going to have a huge bear market and a huge capitulation event that brings us down into those levels for a quite substantial amount of time. Like, subscribe, and share. This was just a quick XRP trading alert. Peace and love to my beautiful audience.